think color grading our video is very important. I tried multiple times to color grade using Adobe Premiere, and there's multiple ways to do it, but I'm going to show you one way that it's really fast and effective and won't really take you that long. I mean, only 1 minute. So what you have to do after you import your video, drag and drop onto the timeline. And here, what you have to do is to go to Window, and here we have to make sure you enable Lumetri Color. All right, and right over here we have this basic correction. So here, what you have to do is just to click on Auto, and this will automatically correct your video. So you can also see back and forth, check and uncheck, see what are the changes that have been made to your video. You can also increase the intensity, increase or decrease. And what I like, you also have input here. So you can also change the input from here. Maybe one input that you will try will actually work for your video, but usually what I just click on here auto, and then I will play with color and exposure or contrast, see what's missing in the video, and then also I can increase the intensity. But obviously that's very fast and I think it's really effective. You just want to color your video right away. You don't look for something specific. You just want to color grade your video. It's not like in in DaVinci Resolve. In there you will have way um, more freedom, or not freedom, but you have more options, more advanced ways to change, to add color grading to some parts of your video. But I prefer to color grade my video because, I mean, if I want something really advanced, I'll use Adobe DaVinci Resolve. But for this simple video, by the way, the videos is from Pixabay. But yeah, I really hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for the next Adobe Premiere, let me know in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you the best and a fantastic day. Take care. Of course, you also have masks in Adobe Premiere. There's a lot of professionals. I'm not a professional, but I know there's a lot of professionals. They're using Adobe Premiere to color grade their movies, and yeah, you also have a lot of options, which is great. We also have creative here, sharpen, and if we click, I'm gonna click on here. You can add another mask if you want, but you can also invert from here. I'm just gonna grab from here. Okay. And now I'm gonna add another one. And here, just gonna increase the contrast and highlights. Can also increase the feather from here or from here. Of course, you can use auto, but that's not what I want. What I'm trying to achieve here is just to darken those parts, like right around the corners. The focal point is just the dog, so I don't think it's important to shift or drag the viewer attention to the surroundings, but mainly on the dog face. That's kind of like my thought process. If you have different suggestions, let me know in the comments section. Now you can add some tracking. Okay. Click here. And here I can see all the tracking points. You can cut them and clean them, but it actually tracked pretty good and fast, even though I don't have a good computer. But yeah, it looks good to me. And